motherfucker.
I hate this channel.
No! No!
Bruh.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I will show how you can download Windows 10 from Microsoft official website. I will show two different methods on how you can do it. The old method which was quite popular but doesn't work. And new method which still works. So without any further delay, let's dig in. The old way of doing it was by changing the user agent of the browser. As you can see, it doesn't work anymore now.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they want that understand.
If you're so inclined, you can try with different browsers and plugins. You can also download it from your mobile phone. Let's try the second method, which still works as of 2021 January and might still work in the future. Right-click on your mouse and go to Inspect Element. Or, simply press Ctrl+Shift+I. Now click on Toggle Device Toolbar. There you go. Now all you have to do is reload the page and boom. You can now see that the download option appears. Now select your desired language and bit, then start downloading.
Bruh.
12 seconds later. Many minutes later. A few moments later. 6 hours later. 6.5 hours later. Approximately 10 hours later. Later that same evening. Early the next morning. 6 months later. Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
One frozen wasteland later. One eternity later.
What the fuck was that?
Is your birthday October November
27th?
Finally, the download has been completed. Now open the downloaded ISO file to continue the setup. You can also set it up by making your USB bootable. Use Rufus or other different bootable software. Now the window is going to ensure if the device is compatible or not before the setup. Again, it's gonna take some time, so bear with me. Come on man. I'm bored as fuck. Let me fast forward it for you guys.
Yeah, boy.
Click Next if you wish to continue the setup. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Adios amigos.